What's up, guys? Elite Early Bird 3574. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 6 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here. 6 here. Dolphins up top. Buffalo Bills at the bottom. 6 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here, 6 here. David up top. Richard at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Dolphins didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. Good luck, guys. First break of the night. Here we go. Okay, guys, take your bundles on the site. Take your bundles. Take your bundles. Elite 1 box early bird. Good luck. Again, take your bundles on the site. We got the whole case bundle deal for Chrome Cosmic. And we got a 15 break bundle deal. It's massive. You're saving over $100 on that bundle. Take them on the site. I'm going to do a filler on the mini bundles next. Again, I'm going to pull and fill 2 of the mini bundles after this break. So take them on the site before they're gone. Good luck, good luck. Again, I got orders coming in on the site, guys. Take your bundles, take your bundles. And only 9 left in Optic Hobby. That break can go before the bundles as well. There's 7 big bundles and 8 mini bundles left on the site. Again, mini bundles are for the 2-box Cosmic Chromes. Good luck here, guys. Good luck. Kid Reporter, Elitist, Nick Bosa. Base. Patty Mahomes, Elite Deck. Keely Ringo to $9.99 for the Eagles. First auto for the Bengals, Charlie Jones to $99. Charlie Jones. Jackson Smith and Jigba, rookie deck. Darius Davis to $149 for the Chargers. Filler. Kid Reporter, Jalen Hurts, High Life, base. Stack 2. Filler. Jalen Carter to $9.99 for the Eagles. Nice pen pals here. Deuce Vaughn on card for Dallas. Going to Nick Monk. There you go, Nick. Nice Deuce Vaughn on the Pen Pals Inc. He's going to be a good player. Kid Reporter, Jalen Hurts, Elite Deck. Christian Watson to $3.99 for the Packers. Kid Reporter, Zay Flowers, rookie on deck. Christian Watson again, this one to 99, Full Throttle. Packers having a break. Going to Tim. Go Tim. Filler, base. Went right to the patch. Christian Kirk, 3-color to 99 for Jacksonville. It's a sweet looking card. Nice hit there, Jacksonville. It's 37 out of 99. Going to Tim again. And the Jags. Highlight George Kittle, filler. Broderick Jones to 399 for the Steelers. Hurts to 349 on the Spellbound. Playmakers, Najee. Deshaun Watson to 99. Michael Mayer, rookie elitist. Last little stack here, Jimmy Garoppolo to 49. Kid Reporter, Jonathan Taylor. And Tank Bigsby to 999 on the Rook. Again, quick recap. Got Bigsby, Jimmy G, Watson, Hurts, Jones, Christian Kirk, Watson, Deuce Vaughn, Pen Pals, Jalen Carter, Davis, Charlie, Jones, and Keely Ringo. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Again, take your bundles on the site. I'm going to run to the other room, grab a box for these. I'll be right back. Take your bundles on the site.